In this video I show you how to attract love, which is such an insane topic in itself because we can't control love. We can't control love. We can be love. Literally, we can be love, but we can't control it at all. And as soon you realize that the mind projects a lot of stuff, what is love and how love works, it's often just an explanation of one standpoint what love really means. And so if you are interested to attract love into your life deeply, you need to realize that love is already here. I, on my journey, was in a personal hell for 25 years, an emotional hell that I created subconsciously by myself. And all that held me back of being truly loved, accepted and validated was my own mind. How I understood reality at this time. And I lived in a world that had a lot of conditions around love. And so I tried to fulfill these conditions in order to be loved. And so I chased literally love. But nothing worked. And even if I had it, and it was still outside of myself, I lost it. Again and again and again. Till I rock bottomed, till I couldn't come deeper. And in that moment, I just surrendered. In that moment, I realized I don't want to live anymore like that. I don't want to see it outside of myself. I create my life. So I felt so intense pain at this time. And you can see in other videos also more of my backstories. That I just surrendered. And I made one promise at this day. It was that I am responsible for my reality. And I choose to be loved. I choose to love. I choose to own my reality, and whatever happens, it's my responsibility. And that shifted directly the point of view how I saw life at this time. And it helped me to understand that emotions and thoughts and all actions are my responsibility. It's how I function and how I respond or react to my outside surroundings. And that helped to recenter all the energy back to myself. And I discovered that I could even go deeper and deeper and deeper, and understood myself so in the depth of all sensations that I asked myself, who am I? And I went deeper and deeper and deeper. And I found profound experiences within myself till I reached the point where I realized myself. What that means is quite easy. It's going beyond all sensations, going beyond all that is changeable. And people may say, oh, everything in life is changing and that's the only constants in life. But this isn't the real truth. It's beyond what can't be changed. And it's our true being. It's who we truly are. It's what people try to understand is the nothingness, but we can't understand it. It's an experience, no, not even. Not even that. It's really letting go of everything that is changeable to realize there's something that is right now looking out of your eyes, hearing it, the information, sensing your body. That is not changeable, and you can come back to your source. And it's exactly the source that creates all around us, love itself. And as soon we open ourselves up to exactly this, we are gifted with a lot of presence. A lot is underestimated, it's everything. And we can sense each other. And I use my mind in order to bring all the energy into this cam right now here, that you can sense it through your screen. And so everything is very useful in order to realize it's love that is listening and talking. Maybe it's still too abstract, that may be the point, then you just can watch also other videos of mine where you see more and more explanations and ways how you can deeply come into yourself, back to your source, where you are basically love itself. And how to attract love is from that state quite easy, because you open yourself up for exactly this also around you. You let yourself guide through life. It's like you are a vessel or a conduit of energy, of love itself, and you are walking through the cosmic field and are meeting others that realize themselves. And this is so profound, and it's here right now. You are it, we are it, we are together in that. And what is holding us often back are the mind patterns. It's literally thinking and being attached with an identity to we are the mind, instead of experiencing we are life. And the mind creates strong boundaries out of fear, often based on survival modes that served you as a small child to create a bond with your parents and society around you, to be not abandoned, to be not rejected. And so you changed yourself a bit more and more and more, and brought more and more conditions around love. And it's time to realize that. It's time to realize what conditions you have built around love itself. And to realizing them means to feel them and to let them go. What is also very helpful is just grab a notebook and write everything down, what wants to be written down. And if you don't know what to write, there's also a method where you just sit down, close your eyes, and as soon the first impulse comes, you just write. And it doesn't stop anymore till you reach a point where everything is written out of your subconsciousness, and you are reading it and you think like, what the heck happened right now? It is a meditative state of writing everything out of you, which is so transformative in itself too. So it's basically to attract love is realizing you are love. And there are different ways, of course, how to approach that you are love. But one major thing is to unlearn everything that is conditioned around love. And if people are triggering you, that's a perfect present of them. They are teachers, you could say. We can be thankful for them because they are reflecting something back to us that wants to be integrated, that wants to be seen within us. And as soon you realize what wants to be seen, it becomes so easy to love exactly this abandoned part that was abandoned in your past to serve others in order to be not abandoned by them. And so you may realize now more and more on a mind level, oh yeah, okay, this is how it works, but how does it really works also in the body, right? In your consciousness, how to realize you are consciousness. And as I said, you can go beyond all emotions, but you can really make that now so sensational easy that you just feel in your hands and in your feet and in your heart. That's it. Just feel. Just sense what wants to be sensed, and you are already aware. And then just let it expand by itself. And everything that we discover, it is as it is, and we accept it. And so we are continuing this journey till we realize a certain state of love itself. And then the mind comes again, and we do the same again. We realize ourselves again and again and again and again. Okay, hope that was helpful for you. If you want to book a 30-minute free call to see how I could serve you on your personal journey, let me know, and you can click the link below and make a request. So in that way, wish you all love.